Yes, you can. Yes, you can really make $1 million trading. My name is Andrew Abraham. I trade professionally, and I'm an author. I have an upcoming book, The Bible of Trend Following, which I would love for you to pick up and learn how to trend follow. The point of this discussion is there's a statement, and I want to share a story. I went to lunch with a buddy of mine, and it's from actually Market Wizards. And here's the excerpt. Michael Marcus, who is a trend follower, 2,500% his money. And in the book of Market Wizards by Jack Schwager, he had a conversation with Bruce Kovner, another trend follower who's on the Forbes list of being a billionaire. And it says here, Michael taught me one thing that was incredibly important. He taught me that you could make $1 million. He showed me that if you applied yourself, great things could happen. It was very easy to miss the point that you really can do it. He showed me if you take a position and use discipline, you can actually make it. My point is like this. It is possible. It is far, far from easy. Most people lose money trading. That is the sad reality. Most people don't have a plan. Most people don't understand risk, and they don't apply themselves. That's why I wrote this book. I wrote the book, The Bible of Trend Following, actually for my children, to teach them, even though they've been trading since they've been 13, or actually watching me trade. And I've been trading since 1994. I want to share with you a story. I went to lunch with a buddy of mine, and it really hit home. He was in my fraternity from college, and he's been trading pretty much since 1983. And as he says, in the beginning, he probably made every mistake possible. And then once he learned the fact that it's okay to make a mistake and keep the losses small, he started progressing. Now he's a pretty successful trader. But what's interesting is that he's got to be in his early 50s. He's probably 2 years older than me. At lunch, he told me he's giving his son $200,000 to trade. And he said he expects that $200,000 to be worth several $1 million by the time his son turns 50, our age. And he said it probably will get to probably about $6 million. I thought, and as much as my whole mantra and everything that I've ever done is to compound money and learn how to compound money, I just agreed. But then I went and I checked a compounding calculator. And the fact is, it's about a 12% return per annum over a bunch of years. Is it 30 years, 25 years? But the fact is, he himself proved that it's possible to make $1 million trading. And the fact is, it isn't easy. He did not have losses. He always had losses. But he keeps the losses small. He doesn't let the losses affect his psychology and inhibit him from taking the next trade. He wants to keep the losses small because, as he says, his winners are in front of him, not behind him. My point is like this. Yes, it is possible to make money trading. Do not think it's easy. Do not think it's retirement in a box. Most people fail. But if you apply yourself, and actually exactly what it says here, that if you really apply yourself, great things can happen. That you need to have a discipline. That you also really need to have a plan, a trading plan. And what I do in my book, The Bible of Trend Following, I teach you the psychology that's needed, how to really address fear when you trade. And the way to address fear is to accept the risk when you put on a trade, and to try to keep those risks very small. Try. Again, anything can happen. We can have gaps. We can have limit moves. This is what it's about. And in the book, I tell you exactly my trading plan. Nothing is held back. And then I have like a journal of us showing you what exactly transpired. And it boils down to basically, there's only 4 possibilities. Big losses, small profits, big profits. And what you'll see is I had no big losses. I put my stops in. I had some times that gapped against me, which I can't control. But the majority of my trades were small losses and small profits. And then there were a handful of times where I had big profits. And that's really how you make your money when you trend follow. My goal is to teach you how to trend follow. My goal is to share the knowledge that was given to me. I was helped along the lines. And this is my way of giving back. I would greatly appreciate you looking at the book if you really want to make a difference in your trading. Thank you.